Hello everyone, hope you are doing good and welcome back. And in this particular week, no, we are going to complete our topic linear equations. Okay, so let me share my screen and give me a moment. Yes, so recording has started and now I'll share my screen. Well, I hope my screen will be visible to you. We last time we started with word problems and we had completed, I guess, 4 questions. Right, let me switch off my video so that you have a full screen view, and today we are going to complete this exercise basically. Then remains problem set that I will complete in 1 or 2 lectures. Okay, so shall graphical method bhi bacha hai that I am trying to explore some GeoGebra to teach that. So give me some time, let me explore that app properly and I will definitely record the lecture for you all. Never mind. So talking about fifth question, the question says that I hope you all are having textbook. If not, just give me a moment. I will open textbook for you all. Just give me a second. So I hope the textbook is visible, isn't it? So the question is, two type of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. So basically you should know 1 ton matlab kitna kg. Okay? As and when we will solve question, I will let you all know. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in truck, it can still accommodate 40 type of box B. 40 box of type B. Okay. So now that it is fully loaded, so we need to find the weight of each box या each type of box. ठीक है, मतलब type A का एक box कितने किलो का होएगा and type B का कितने किलो का होएगा. So steps remain the same. We are going to formulate we are going to assume the variables. After assuming the variables, we are going to formulate the condition. After formulating the condition, we are going to solve the simultaneous equation. After solving simultaneous equation, we are definitely going to get our final result. Only there is one small conversion that we will do while solving the question itself. Okay, shall I go ahead? And yes, I will. थोड़ा ये thickness बढ़ा देते हैं so that you all can easily see that particular sum what is written. So let the weight of box, let the weight of box of type A be X turn and the weight of box of type B be Y turn. अभी हम लोग टर्न में क्यों बात कर रहे हैं बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में टर्न में ही दिया है. So now what will be the weight of, therefore the weight of 150 boxes of type A, therefore the weight of 150 boxes of type A is equal to 150x ton. Okay, the weight of 100 boxes of type B is equal to 100 y ton. The weight of 150 boxes of type A, उसका weight पता नहीं है तो हम लोग ने x लिया तो हो गया 150x ton. Then here it became 100 y ton for B. Now we will formulate according to the condition. So according to, let me take a red color now. According to first condition, क्या मिल रहा है मुझे according to first condition? Check the given question again. What I am getting? Read the question from beginning. If you are not able to understand, read the question from beginning. What they are saying, when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded, मतलब 150 plus 100, so 150 boxes of type A plus 100 boxes of type B are loaded. मुझे कितना weight मिल रहा है? The weight is 10 ton, isn't it? So this is my first condition, but it can be reduced. So you can write this can be also reduced by, you can divide both sides by 10. So it would be 15x plus 10y is equal to 1. Let this be your equation number 1. And here you can write dividing both sides by 10. Dear students, if you are confused in the question, I would advise start reading the question from beginning so that you can solve ahead. Now, similarly, you can go for second condition. So according to second condition, क्या दिया है मुझे उधर? Oh no, where is the textbook? इधर है. According to second condition, 260 boxes of type A and 40 boxes of type B. So 260 boxes of type A. So 260 boxes of type A plus 40 boxes of type B. तो भी वो कितना आएगा? 10 ही होएगा. You can again divide 26 आ जाएगा. 26x plus 4y is equal to 1. This will be my equation 1. Here also you can write. Just a second. I don't know who is calling me during the lectures. Just a second. So sorry. I don't know. वैसे तो कोई फोन नहीं आएगा, but when I start recording the lectures, there are 100 people going to calling me. Dividing both sides by 10. So sorry for inconvenience, students. Now you can look at equation number 1, equation number 2. What you can do is you can multiply equation 1. So again, देखो ना क्या करना है. You can either do subtraction or you can do addition, but साइन सब जगह सेम है तो एडिशन पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, तो गले में आएगा सब्ट्रैक्शन. सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए किधर ना किधर मुझे दोनों इक्वेशन का एक वेरिएबल तो सेम बनाना पड़ेगा. तो आई कैन ब्रिंग 20 ईयर. ये देखो इधर 10 है तो इधर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, इधर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो मुझे 20 मिल जाएगा. सो नाउ मल्टीप्लाइंग equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. Dear students, please, if you are not understanding, do comment so that I can explain you in some other manner or I can record again in some other ways. ठीक है? Now multiply करने के बाद मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? 30x plus 20y plus 2, sorry plus 2 नहीं, is equal to 2. This is what happens when our link is broken, is equal to 2. Let this be your equation number 3. Same thing you are going to do with equation number 2, that is multiplied by 5. So ये 26 into 5 tables नहीं आता है, तो frankly जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ वैसे कर दो बाजू में. 6 5 are 30, 3 carry over, 2 5 are 10, so 130. नहीं आता है तो कर ही देने का. ठीक है? So here it would be 130x plus 20y is equal to 5. Let this be my equation number 4. Now if you look very carefully at equation 3 and 4, what you can perform subtraction. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. Okay, isn't it? So subtract karo. Shall I perform the steps or y'all will do? Okay, kar dete chalo. Since it's the first question of this lecture. 130x plus 20y is equal to 5 and 30x plus 20y is equal to 2. Sign change हो जाएगा since we are doing subtraction. Okay, so let me go down. तो इधर क्या मिलेगा? 100x. ये तो कट हो जाएगा. Is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 100. I would suggest keep this 3 upon 100 as it is. उसका रीजन बाद में पता चल जाएगा. Now as usual perform substitution. Substitute x is equal to 3 upon 100 in equation 1. So 15. I am substituting in 1, you all can substitute in any equation as you all want. ठीक है, इधर वो 2 दिख रहा है but it's 1. तो 15 x के बदले आ जाएगा 3 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. So what you can do, 15 into 3 is 45. So 45 upon 100 plus 10y is equal to 1. So 10y is equal to 1 minus 45 upon 100. So 10y, guys, I am doing each and every step. So please see to that you are not skipping any of this to avoid errors. Okay. इधर आ जाएगा 1, so it would be 100 minus 45 upon 100, which is equal to 55 upon 100. समझा? बोलो पक्का? What you can do is you can divide both sides by 10, isn't it? You can do or not? Yes, you can. So shall I go ahead? कर तो सकते हैं. आगे बढ़ू? पक्का? तो y का वैल्यू मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? ये तो 10y का है ना. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन वैल्यू ऑफ y. तो वैल्यू ऑफ y विल बी 55. तो एज इट इज रहेगा, वो 10 नीचे चला जाएगा तो एक जीरो इधर बढ़ जाएगा. 55 अपॉन 1000. x एंड y का वैल्यू मिल गया. ठीक है. नाउ द वेट ऑफ बॉक्स टाइप ए. अच्छा देखो कैसा था, मैंने क्यों टर्न में रखने को बोला, बिकॉज हियर दे हैव नॉट आस्क्ड मी वेदर इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड इन केजी और इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड इन टर्न. बिकॉज इधर वो लोग ने टर्न में बात किया तो मैंने उनको रिप्लाई भी टर्म्स में ही दिया. बट इफ यू थिंक कि नहीं रिस्की नहीं मांगता है तो बेटर इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू केजी एज वेल. तो आंसर द वेट ऑफ box of type A is 3 upon 100 ton, or you can convert it into kg, which is equal to 3 upon 100 into 1000 kg, which is equal to 30 kg. ठीक है. And weight of box of type B is equal to 55 upon 1000 ton, or 55 kg. So sorry for that glitch made, but I hope you all understand. Okay, now here I have not shown the conversion. So basically this is your final answer. If you all don't want any risk, you all can keep it the way I have kept. Ton में भी दे दो and kg में भी दे दो. ठीक है. Satisfied? Shall I go ahead? So if you all are writing, see to it that you all are just pausing the video. If you all want, take the screenshot either way, or pause my video and continue writing. I am assuming you all are doing the same, and I will go ahead with my next question. That is the last question of this exercise. Star mark किया है उसके ऊपर. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. I hope the question is visible. Let me use some other highlight. वो येलो डट्टी कलर बहुत आंख में जा रहा है. Let us use some sky blue peach color. हाँ, so out of 1900 kilometers, Vishal traveled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. ठीक है. तो ये हाईलाइट करके मिलेगा नहीं. Out of 19, oh no, what is this? It's beyond my capacity now. ये रहा. Out of 1900 kilometers, Vishal traveled some distance by bus, some by aeroplanes. Bus travels with an average speed of 60 km per hour, and average speed of aeroplane is 70 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal traveled by bus. मतलब अपने को सिर्फ बस से ही इंटरेस्ट है. ठीक है. So shall I go ahead? This question is very easy in fact. सिर्फ फॉर्मुलेशन अच्छे से समझना चाहिए इसका. Let me use other color only. Question number 6. So let Vishal travel x kilometer by bus. Let Vishal travel x kilometer by bus and y kilometer by plane. Isn't it? which is equal to now. ठीक है, y किलोमीटर बाय प्लेन, एरोप्लेन लिखना बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में एरोप्लेन दिया है, एरोप्लेन. नाउ व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्पीड? स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. तो टाइम का फॉर्मूला क्या बन जाएगा मेरा? डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. गाइस ये बेसिक चीज है, नाइन्थ में भी पढ़ा है, तो अभी भी नहीं समझ रहा है तो इफ यू वांट जस्ट कीप इट अ नोट, साइड में लिख के रखो कि ये किधर से मिला. तो स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. ठीक है, एंड उसकी वजह से ही टाइम का फॉर्मूला बन गया डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. गॉट इट? अरे बोलो हाँ कि ना. शैल आई गो अहेड? टाइम बाय विशाल ट्रैवलिंग, टाइम टेकन बाय विशाल ट्रैवलिंग बाय बस. तो टाइम टेकन बाय विशाल, time taken by Vishal while traveling by bus, while traveling by bus is equal to x upon 60 hours. Then time taken by Vishal while traveling by plane will be x upon 700 hours. ठीक है. Now according to the first condition, I don't know why it's not working. According to first condition, क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Just read the condition again. So I will get x plus y is equal to 1900. ठीक है, and this will be my first, and x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5. ठीक है, so this is actually my second condition. So मैं लिखना भूल गया. Here I will write second condition. According to second condition, what I am going to get here? I am going to get x upon 60 plus y upon 700 is equal to 5, and let this be my equation number 2. इधर तक समझा या डाउट है बच्चों? पक्का? नाउ जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 2 सो दैट उसको एक अच्छे फॉर्म में ला देते हैं हम लोग. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 2 बाय, जस्ट चेक इनका एलसीएम क्या आ रहा है. तो बाय इनका एलसीएम आ जाएगा 2100. दिस इज नथिंग बट द एलसीएम ऑफ 60 एंड 700. ठीक है, एलसीएम क्यों लिया? सो दैट वी गेट अ वेरी स्मूथ इक्वेशन. इक्वेशन 3 विल बी अ स्मूथ वन, फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में नहीं रहेगा. इनटू 2100 plus y upon 700 into 2100 which is equal to 5 into 2100. ठीक है, therefore मेरा इक्वेशन क्या बन जाएगा? my equation will be 35x plus 3y is equal to 10500. I hope I am going right. So this is my equation number 3. Okay, shall I go ahead? इधर तक कुछ भी डाउट है क्या? Now multiply equation 1 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Q 1 by 3 so that I get 3y. तो इधर मुझे मिल जाएगा 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. ये देखो इधर 3y चाहिए एंड इधर 3y है. Now subtract equation 1 and 2. तो तुमको क्या मिलेगा? If you subtract, you will get 35x plus 3y is equal to 10500, and here I will get 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. Minus 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 sign are going to change. Here I will get 32x. ये term cancel हो जाएगा. Here I will get 4800. So I am interested in x का value. X का value is 4800 upon 32. X is equal to, ये completely divide होएगा, I will get 150. So therefore my answer is, therefore Vishal traveled 150 kilometers by bus. ठीक है, बस हो गया. So now we'll stop for today. In the next lecture, I'll be recording. Next lecture कैसा होगा पता है क्या? I will be recording problem set के word problems. Now since we are having a continuous link of word problems, let me complete that part. ठीक है? And also next week, मतलब ये जो week है उसके बाद का week 15th August से quadratic equation start होएगा. That will be taken by mentor Shivik Daswani. He has joined our team, and sir will be taking mathematics paper 1 for you all, and then I'll be going ahead with mathematics paper 2. Okay, so जो लोग लिख रहे हैं, you all can just pause my video and you all can write it down. I have saved it, वैसे वो save करके ही रखा है, never mind. If you all want notes, just put an email with a subject notes required for linear equation. ठीक है, so I'll be forwarding this note. Email ID is there in my channel banner. And let me just stop the screen sharing. I'll try to complete problem set का questions. Actually, कैसा है, purposely I'm taking the slot of other mentors so that at least I can complete with this topic and I can start with geometry and Shivik sir के lecture start हो पाएंगे. ठीक है? So till then stay tuned, enjoy learning, learn with ease, tension मत लो. This is academic and हो जाएगा अच्छे से करोगे तो. ठीक है? Bye bye. Have a good day.